Take it. There you go. Good job, Mac. Here you go. There's a dinosaur for you. Whoa! And a kitty. Gonna walk back? What to do first? Oh, love kitty. That'd be the dinosaur growling, not the kitty. Ha! There you go. You gonna get up and walk it back to the playroom? There you go. Look out, kitty. Here goes Cormac. Whoa! That's right. Get right back up again. Right back up again. Okay.